Well, it's cold, it's windy, it's the kind of conditions you don't want to be out in. You just heard Mike talking about the snow totals in some of the areas. Just by the eye test here, it's very hard to tell because the snow has been drifting so dramatically. You look at the sidewalks here and how the snow is sort of piled up along with the plow crews. There's a fire hydrant over there that you can just barely see the top of it. And that's the kind of conditions that we've seen throughout the day. Just high winds, drifting snow, very frigid, and just a very difficult day for getting around. People were out and about. There were people on the roads today, earlier today at least, and those people who were on the roads today earlier found that getting around was pretty tricky.
The roads are really, really rough right now. They're about 3 or 4 inches of snow in a lot of places, and it's pretty slick too. So they're not good.
Roads are pretty slick. Best thing is just take your time, give yourself room. Come from New England all my life, so I kind of used to the storm. So.
Public Works crews have been doing their best to keep up with this large volume of snow and these drifting conditions today, and they've done a really good job. The roads are very passable, but they are greasy. That sort of packed down and drifted snow that gets on top of them can make conditions very difficult for driving, so be careful out there on the roads. Reporting live in Exeter, I'm Andy Hirschberger, WMUR News 9.